That people ask about a lot for bag making is about the different fabrics. So here's a rundown of all the different fabrics and how we use them. First up is quilting cotton, easy to find, beautiful to sew and perfect for linings. We have some canvas. It's a bit thicker than quilting cotton. It gives it a bit more rigidity. We have our faux leathers, comes in a variety of colours and often looks remarkably like real leather. You can also get faux leather or vinyl printed in beautiful patterns. Next up is cork, which is a beautiful, not too thick fabric, and you can get it with glitter or you can also get it coloured like this one. My favourite fabrics for bag making is waterproof canvas. You don't have to interface it, and of course it's waterproof. Recently you can get it in patterned as well. Then we have ripstop, which is really crinkly, as you can hear. Not so fun to sew with because it's super slippery, but it's super thin and waterproof as well. Then we have waxed canvas, which is perfect for bag making. It creates a really nice distressed look. Finally, we have our TPUs. So we've got an iridescent clear one here, and then we've also got this jelly vinyl, which is beautiful to sew and holds a great structure too. Any questions, pop them below.